Hello everyone. Today's topic for the teaching is the optical rotation from the chapter polarization of light. What is mean by the optical rotation? When a plane polarized light is sent through a certain crystals like quartz and cinnabar along their optical axis, the plane of polarization gets rotated through a certain angle theta, which depends on the path length L through which the light travels through the crystal, and on the wavelength lambda of the light. This effect occurs within the medium and not on the surface. Similar effect is also observed in case of turpentine, sugar solution, etc. This effect of rotation of plane of rotation by certain media is called optical activity. The materials which exhibit optical activity are known as optically active materials. The optical activity is basically due to structure of crystals or molecules of the medium. The optically active materials are of two types. One is dextro-rotatory or right-handed, in which the plane of polarization is rotated towards the right of the observer, looking towards the source of light. For example, some quartz crystal and sugar solution are dextro-rotatory. And second type is the levo-rotatory or left-handed, in which the plane of rotation is rotated towards left of the observer, looking towards the source of light. For example, some quartz crystals and lactic acids are levorotatory. So these are the two optically active materials: dextrorotatory right-handed and levorotatory left-handed. In a right-handed materials, the plane of polarization, that is rotated clockwise, while in left-handed materials the plane of rotation is rotated in anti-clockwise direction. The calcite crystal does not show any optical activity, and such materials are said to be optically inactive. And the material which shows the rotation plane of polarization of rotation, then such materials are called as optically active materials. So today we are learn in this lecture optical rotation. What is mean by optical rotation? Optical rotations are of two types: dextrorotatory materials and levorotatory materials, optically active materials and optically inactive materials. Thank you.